So guys, today I have this remote site that I want to show you, and here you're going to find a lot of remote job opportunities, okay? And the name of the site is remote.co, and as you can see, there are a lot of jobs that have been listed for different categories, okay? So if you're looking for any remote job, then this is a site that you're not supposed to miss, okay? You can see the site offers remote editing jobs, remote entry-level jobs, okay, freelance jobs, okay. So how do we go about in this site? So the first thing, you'll just type on Google remote.co, and then you come over here to their dashboard. Here you are supposed to register if you have not registered. So for me, I've already registered. That's why you can see I'm already inside, okay. So once you are in, we'll just scroll over here, and then you come over here where it's written recent remote jobs, okay. And here you can find now the category that you want, okay. So if you want any accounting jobs that are remote, then you will click over here, okay. So let me just scroll down. You see, these are the different categories that are being offered by this site, okay. And if you have not seen your category, then what you'll do is just come and press over here, see all remote jobs. Now as I scroll down, you can see now we have the different categories and all the jobs that are in them, okay. So let me just scroll down. You see, so if you're looking for data entry jobs, remote ones, then you can see they are listed over there, and if you want to see more, you just click over here, see all remote data entry jobs, okay guys. Let me just scroll again. Remote design jobs, if you want design jobs, then you just come over here and then you click over here, you're going to see all the jobs, okay. The developer jobs, if you're looking for them, editing jobs, okay, entry level jobs. So entry level are for those who are beginning, okay, those who don't have experience. It's good for beginners. Let me just scroll down. You can also find remote freelance jobs over here in this site, healthcare jobs, resources and recruiting. So you can see the jobs are many. Even this one, international jobs. So this one means you can work from anywhere or from many countries, okay. IT jobs, you can also find them over here, okay. Marketing jobs, remote part-time jobs, remote project manager jobs, okay. So these are list of jobs, guys, that you can come and try in this site, okay. Don't forget the site is remote.co, okay. So let me just show you how to maybe do an application. So the first thing, if I want to apply to this job over here, first of all, check the time that it was posted, okay. So you can see this is a new job that was posted today, and they need a special education high school teacher, okay. And it is remote, and it's a full-time work, okay. Also, this is the payment for the work, okay. And this is the company. So if you want to apply, you click the job, and then once you are in, you pass through the description of the job over here. And this description, you're supposed to pass through it very well, because it is going to help you to modify your CV so that it matches what they want, okay. So modifying your CV is very easy, guys. I told you just copy everything that is written in this job description, you paste on ChatGPT, and then you also paste your resume and tell it to modify it so that it matches like this job description, okay. And to include also the keywords from the job description. Then you humanize it, and then you are good to go. Click over here, apply. So once you click over there, it leads me to this second page, okay. So you can see this is the company, and then you can see the job is also still there. So I'll click again, apply. So if you didn't pass through the description earlier, then you can also come again and pass through this description, okay. So you'll just click again, apply, and then you have been given these options. You can autofill with the resume. So here we'll just upload your resume, and then it's going to do everything for you, okay. And also you can apply manually, okay, or you can also use your last application, okay. So if I press autofill the resume, and then over here I accept cookies, you will see that they're telling me to create an account. It's good for you to create an account. So you'll just put your email over here, your password, then you verify your password, okay. So like me, I'll just press this, let me just try creating so that this thing looks practical. So I'll just create an account. Remember, I'm applying for that job, okay, special education high school teacher. Now the next thing, I'm just using it as a demonstration. So the next thing that you're going to do is just to upload your resume over here, okay. So I'll just click over here. If you have it on your computer, then you just upload. So I'm just using this as an example. I'm not saying that I am a teacher of special education. So this is how you upload your resume, okay. And then you press continue. I'm not going to pass through everything, but I just want to show you simple. So you can see like mine is saying alas found, given name, okay, alert name family, okay. So you just see what they are saying here and then you correct, okay. How did you hear about us? Have you previously worked at Stride? No. If you haven't. Country, you say your country, okay, and everything, okay. And then you come and fill your address, your email address, everything here, your phone number, and the process continues, okay. You'll just come over here, fill your information, then come over here, fill your experience. Over here you do the application questions that have been given, then voluntary disclosures, okay, then your self-identity, and then review. So once they review and you are accepted in, they are going to contact you and tell you that you have passed, okay. And then maybe if they have an interview or something like that, I guess they're going to call you, okay. So guys, the site is remote.co, and because I've been sharing the AI training jobs and I understand that those sites might not favor some people, then you can come to a site like this one, remote.co. It has a lot of remote job work, and then you try and see if you can get work from this site. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that whenever I upload any content like this one, you'll be among the first to be notified, okay guys. And also for those who are my subscribers, I say thank you, continue watching, and also I hope you are finding value from this video. Let us interact in the comment section. You can tell me any challenge that you are having and everything, guys. Also guys, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So the site is remote.co. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. You go and try it, guys. So see you on the next video. Share another site tomorrow. Thank you.